the company we are going to visit is from Dongguan Weiqing Electronics Company. From Dongguan Weiqing Electronics Company. Hello. Hello, is Annie I'm talking to? Hello, from Weiqing. Hello, this is Jane from
Hello.
Lightstrade Factory. Hello, hi. Hello, is
Hi.
this Annie?
Yeah, I'm Annie.
Annie, good afternoon. Good afternoon to see you, Annie.
Okay. Can you see me?
Not yet. I can only hear from you, but I can't see your image. Okay, now it's okay, great. Hello, hi.
Welcome to WQC. Yeah, our brand is WQC.
Mhm.
Can you speak WQC?
WQC, oh, the product.
WQC.
WQC, oh, I see.
This is our brand. Yeah. W is mean weight, Q is mean qing, C is capacitor. Yeah. We will manufacture. We will do the film capacitors like X2, this one capacitor.
Capacitor.
And yes, and Y capacitor, Y1 and Y2. Yeah. And this one CBB61 capacitor. Yeah. And MMKP 81 capacitor. And the box capacitor, and this one is CBB21 capacitor. Yeah, this is Roman capacitor. But now most of this we can do box capacitor, like this box. We can do different color, like yellow, blue, yeah, and red.
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah. Let me show this. What this is capacitor. Yeah.
A full plate of the colors and the different, like a box and the different shapes.
According the customer, if customer they need yellow, we will give yellow to them. Yes.
Customized.
Yes. Maybe our capacitor is widely used in LED power, LED driver, and LED lighting. Yeah. Maybe use this. Okay.
Yeah, sure.
Yes. And what our products have certification like UL, VDE, CQC, KC.
Okay.
Yes.
So
yeah.
Almost all countries you can sell to.
Yeah, we can sell all around. Yes. And weighting capacitor is originated in 1983 and set up a factory in Dongguan in 2009. Yeah, about 11 years. Yes. Yeah. And let me show some about okay. Let me show. Wait a moment.
Okay, time.
Let me show something to you. Yeah, this is our okay. Yeah.
Perfect.
Yes. All of we have all the system certification like ISO 9001 and ISO 40001. Yeah, we will have this. And our company they have 128 people. Yeah.
Okay, 121.
Yes. We are located in Songshan Lake, is near Huawei.
Okay.
Also, it's a beautiful city.
Songshan Lake.
Yeah, Songshan Lake. Yeah, this is our sales team. You can look. Yes, sales team. And this
Very
is
young.
position. Yes. Yeah. Avenue capacity. Yeah. It's crazy. It's crazy every year.
Mhm.
Yes.
Capacity.
Yeah. And patent certification. Yeah.
Mhm.
And system certification. You can look. Can you look?
Owners. Yes, I can see that quality management
yeah.
and the owners. Yes, from
Yeah.
the quality system certification. Yes. Mhm.
And the
Patent.
patent. Yeah.
Yeah.
Certification. Yeah.
Oh, you can get.
Yeah. And this is the certification about VDE,
Mhm.
VDE, and the ENEC, and the UL,
Mhm.
yeah, UL, and the KC, Korea, yeah, and Korea, COC,
Yeah.
certification, yes, and the part 2 is yeah. Every year we will attend some exhibition like Korea. Yeah,
Yeah.
this is Korea in 2018. Yeah, and this is Hong Kong
Mhm.
exhibition.
Yeah, lighting fair. Electronics fair.
This is Hong Kong, and this
Hong Kong.
is New Delhi.
New Delhi.
Yeah, New Delhi. Yes,
Mhm.
and Mumbai.
Yeah.
Yeah, Mumbai. Yeah,
Mumbai. Mhm.
yeah, and this is a workshop. You can look our workshop.
Okay.
Yeah, a workshop. This is just a picture, and our workshop is just in here. And this is the workshop picture. Can look.
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah, the same. Okay. The part 3, we can look. Yeah. Upload docs. Summary like CL21. We mean we also call MEF.
Mhm.
Yes. And CBB 2122 mean call MPP. And CBB 81 PPS. And MEB MPP. Just the box capacitor. Box. Yes, box capacitor like this. And the X2 capacitor. X2 capacitor. And the Y1 capacitor and the Y2 capacitor. Yeah. This is the display. We can look this.
Mhm.
Yeah, this is X2 capacitor. WQC is our brand. One of our capacitor, we will print the logo WQC in our products.
Can
Yeah.
you do OEM? Can you do OEM or branding other your customers company's logo? Can you do OEM?
No,
Oh no.
we just
Okay.
do WQC.
Own
Yeah.
brand. Yes, yes.
Own
Own brand.
brand.
Yeah.
Yes.
Mhm. Great.
Yeah, and this is Y1 and Y2. Yeah,
Mhm.
AC capacitors.
Mhm.
And this is CBB 81. Yeah, it can
Mhm.
do 2000 volts. It's a high voltage.
High voltage. Okay.
Yeah, and this is box capacitor. It can do higher winter. The winter can do high, like 125. Yeah, is yeah. And the next, this is a CBB 61 motor capacitors. Yeah, and this is axial capacitor.
Mhm.
Yeah, and this is double celled metal film resistance capacitor. This it
Double
can
sided
do
metals.
high frequency. Yeah,
High frequency. Yeah.
the high frequency. And this is use special film capacitor for wireless charging. Yeah,
Okay.
it's very popular in
Yes, wireless charging.
yes,
So
yes,
contact the charging. Yes.
yes. Then we can look at our process. The first is waiting. Yeah, waiting. We can within the contents and the wallet. The first process is it's high speed reader. And the two is lighting. Contact layer.
Contact layer.
Yeah, healing.
Okay, healing.
Yeah, healing. And terminal winding. Yeah, it's terminal winding. And coating.
Okay.
Marking. Yes, marking. And test. And we will one of our capacitor will test. Well,
Okay.
yes. Yeah. Okay. This is our partners. Yeah. Our biggest customer is Panasonic.
Panasonic. Yeah.
Panasonic, yes. Hubble, Phoenix,
Mm-hmm.
and GKR. Yeah. Amazing. And FSL
Wow,
is a
wow.
famous. Yeah, it's a famous company.
Mm-hmm.
And awesome. Yeah. And
Mhm.
Marcia.
And the fortune lighting. Yes. Okay.
Fortune lighting. Yes, yes. Yes, one of this is this customer is we do long time, and the water is is very big. Yeah,
Yes.
because our price is very good, and our quality is very high.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Great. Yes. So many famous cooperation with partner cooperation with you. Yes.
Yeah, yes. The partner is very important.
Yeah.
Yes. And maybe maybe my introduce about this.
Yes. Well, that's great. That's great because your main product is the capacitor, and it's very essential part component in LED lighting, and
Yeah,
every electronics equipment they won't do without a capacitor. So and you have you're located in Dongguan Songshan Lake, and
yes.
the productive capacity is very good, and then you have your own workshop and assembling line and all the systems in process in schedule, and you have already found a lot of partners inside China and overseas, and you have got a lot of partners. So it's really good. And you have own brand WQC and passed all the certification and the testing. Yes, you own the qualification.
Was the exact same. So our brand is very popular
Yeah.
in Zhejiang.
Yes, that's really good.
Maybe like his customer know WQC. If you say WQC, more people know it.
Oh, great. Yes, it's very famous, famous brand.
Yes.
Okay. So I guess this is for today, because we still have other chances, other opportunities, and like a factory tour next time. So I'm so excited to see you next time. See you next time, and bring us something. Yeah.
Thank you very much. Okay.
Thank you,
Bye bye.
Annie. Thank you. See you. Bye bye. See you, Annie. Bye. Thank you. Thank you.